time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Are you a new student?
Yeah, I'm a new student this year.
What is your major?
My major is business management.
That's good. I also learned study business management.
Oh, really? Maybe we can be friends because I don't have any friends here.
Of course.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Utah, and you?
I'm from Sarrakso. My house is very close with the Istana Bahasa Pagaruyung.
That's great.
Linto is so far from here, right?
Yeah, that's why I ran a house here.
Oh, okay. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, my hobby is reading book. How about you?
To be honest, I have a lot of hobbies. I like watching movie, writing, and then swimming and more.
How are you?
I'm 20 years old. What about you?
I'm 20 years old.
Oh, okay.
Why you chose this major?
I actually have a small business, so I think I need to learn how to manage my money and my income.
It's nice.
What about you? Why you choose this major?
Because I want to be an entrepreneur.
Wow, it's cool. Anyone, which one is your favorite class?
My favorite class is English class.
Hey, me too, because I like English class, because I think English is important for us to learn. It's international language, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Nice to meet you, Sri. Do you have WhatsApp? Maybe we can be a classmate, because I have to go right now.
Yeah, I have WhatsApp. This is my number.
Okay, Sri, thank you. I will text you later. Nice to meet you, Sri.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you too.